France is a country located in Western Europe and is known for its rich history, culture, art, and cuisine. French cuisine is renowned worldwide for its elegance, taste, and diversity. It is considered one of the finest cuisines in the world and has influenced culinary traditions in many other countries. Here are some key aspects of French cuisine. France has a diverse range of culinary traditions based on its regions. Each region has its own unique cuisine, ingredients and cooking techniques. For example, the rich sauces and hearty stews of Burgundy, the seafood and buttery dishes of Brittany, or the world-famous wines and cheeses of Bordeaux. French cuisine is known for its classic dishes that have become staples in many households and restaurants around the world. Some iconic examples include ratatouille, a vegetable stew, escargot, snails cooked in garlic butter, quiche Lorraine, a savory custard pie with bacon, and beef bourguignon, a slow-cooked beef stew. French cuisine emphasizes the use of fresh, high-quality ingredients, from crusty baguettes and creamy cheeses to tender meats and fresh produce. French cuisine places a premium on the quality and freshness of ingredients. French cuisine is also known for its culinary techniques, which are often considered intricate and precise. Techniques such as sautéing, braising, roasting, and poaching are commonly used in French cooking. French desserts and pastries are renowned for their exquisite flavors and delicate textures, from flaky croissants and colorful macarons to rich chocolate mousse and creamy crème brûlée. French desserts are a true indulgence for the senses. France is also famous for its wine and cheese culture. With over 400 different types of cheese and a long history of winemaking, we could showcase the vineyards, the winemaking process, and the variety of cheeses, including Camembert, Brie, Roquefort, and Comte. The French take their dining culture seriously, with a focus on leisurely meals, quality ingredients, and socializing around the table. This is just a sample of the convivial atmosphere of a French meal, including the gathering of friends and family, the clinking of wine glasses, and the enjoyment of good food and company. France has produced many famous culinary personalities who have made significant contributions to the world of food and cooking. Renowned chefs like Julia Child, Paul Bocuse, and Alain Ducasse have influenced French cuisine and culinary techniques globally.